channel about the Philippine Sea and South China Sea na kaya daw dumikit daw ang Philippines ship o barko ng Pilipinas sa China ship. Kaya sila winaterkano so translate for accent. So nakita ko video for your to post the YouTube because nga AI ngayon to really not right for whatever your guilt and justice for the right to video to attack it and self-defense. The Philippines is attacked to China self-defense to water cannon and attack to the Philippines. So kasi mahirap na kayo paniwalaan ngayon China, Philippines, Taiwan, America before the 2015 until now is very longer for trade war and what will happen were never start to beginning. But understand our nation, the people, the religion, to the God is justice for died people and military suffering. Understanding the value about that, because you are liar and loser. You are never stopped by judging the guilt in what happened to Pacific Sea, to the God box in the government hand of law, and this heal life and about this rich and Pacific Sea to land na pinag-aagawan talaga nila ang Pacific Ocean na to dahil dahil kaya yaman nila for whatever tourists foreign is coming here to fishing our people and poor homeless because the fishermen working is the Pacific Sea na dito sila nabubuhay sa pangingisda whatever the China people, poor Chinese people, for Philippines people, for Taiwanese people, but it's our boundaries for Asian Sea and Pacific to all 7 countries in Asia nation. The United States part of the Philippines to whole world before the Japan. Kaya ang Philippines tinutulungan ng Amerika and before the history. For me, I am Paul for our politician world for justice what you're doing in going this the land because I am a hero for this mid nation as a reform first miracle of the Christ. Number 6 wallet and Sodom Gomorrah because he's a purse. So I have the crown into the world for my voice and speech. It's not a president, it's not a ministry, it's not a people, it's not a citizen at all. I am a speech in my personal speech. So I have the personal speech because I am never died. Hindi pa naman ako patay kaya ako muna magsasalita on what we're doing in this beloved space. Nga, Philippines beloved to me, which is never person. So anong gusto niya palabasin? Na tayo ay tanga, tayo ay baliw, because real lose and you would do it real was fake. Yun nga ang kailangan natin sa person kagaya ni Kibuloy ni Duterte as beloved to death nahuli ng ICC ayan, destroy, nakulong. Yun dapat ang mangyayari sa akin ako handa naman ako makulong ayaw nyo gumalaw kaya bakit ko na may susukong sarili ko kung ayaw nyo gumalaw ano ako baliw. You're never happy to do that for acts about you, Mr. President. You know what? You're always disgusting. So this is video is very common before the nangyari ito ng 2016, 17, 18 na very strategy na Philippines and China is over the show the Pacific Sea and international warship incoming to the China Sea and Philippine Sea. So our country's boundaries in Asian planet to 7 countries for justice and our politics is always illegal and trespassing. Because pwede naman talaga hatulan ng China ang Philippines Bakit pinapapasok ng Philippines ang iba-ibang bansa sa China Sea and Philippine Sea? Because Philippines is trespassing to our country in Asia about the warship and military. But all Asian countries, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Korea, Taiwan, China, Philippines, Cambodia, and all Pacific Asian planet, and our government is trespassing. So against the law for war, the international foreign, and before your NATO and ASEAN summit, and before all politicians is this against to real movement for statement. So we're allowed to valid always real. It's always reject, but you are showing to arrogant, but your imagination and illusion complete to other people is changing because corruptible. Talagang takot sila masapawan ko. There's always securities. Kaya sila is very eager and hungry. But always problem for losing whatever your soul and religion. It's a mistake, very empty and you destroy. Because your money, your power, your material, you are shields. So you're very disgusting and you're stupid program. Capability of your naked sense. Okay? So follow to my YouTube channel. Thank you. This is video. Panoorin yung video na to.